Hi, welcome to another weekly digest of my trading. Today we're going to go over the economic calendar, the Texas lawsuit versus the electoral maps. The current positions that I'm holding, I'm down $6,000 and I'm slowly building a short position that has increased to 1500 delta. That's about 1.5% of my account. Actually, 0.75% of my account. Current equities and commodities, potential trades, and potential scalps. So let's get right into it. Economic calendar for today. The big news for today is that the initial jobless claims were greater than expected. And so the market actually jumped up in the beginning when it saw this, have no idea why. And then it pulled back and we're trading at a -5 on the S&P 500. The next thing is the electoral map. Everyone is looking at Biden as being the president-elect because he got 306 certified votes opposed to Trump's 232. But something that nobody's looking at is that Trump needs 38 to win it. And right now, Texas filed suit against 4 swing states because they didn't follow the constitutional agreed upon process of elections. And since they made that suit several days ago, 18 other states have joined that suit, and it looks like there is a possibility of these 4 swing state electoral votes to get nullified. If that happens, Pennsylvania's electoral votes alone is 20, and then the others are around 10. Georgia's, I think, 16 or something. So you can see that Trump only needs 38, which means he needs Pennsylvania and one other to have a second term. The big thing here is that I don't think that the market is taking this into account. So if you look at the equities and what we're trading at right now, we're trading at all-time highs, close to all-time highs on every single one of these indexes. The S&P 500, the Nasdaq, the Dow, and the Russell. And so we're trading at all-time highs. The VIX is trading at all-time lows for the year. We're at 22.27. Our high was at 85.47 when we crashed in March. So when we crashed in March, we had an 85.47% consensus that the market could continue to fluctuate in a year. 85% when we were down at 2,000 on the ES. Right now we're at all-time highs, and people think that we're only going to experience volatility of 22%. That's not taking into account any of the potential volatility that will come from civil unrest and from Trump getting a second term. It's pretty much the market is saying there's no chance that that's going to happen, when in reality the Supreme Court has just ordered those 4 swing states to give their defense by today, several hours from right now. So I think that the market is just ignoring this news, or I don't know what it's doing, but I'm going short because I think that the market was wrong back here. I went short back here before the Wuhan virus started going crazy in the United States because I saw it moving across the world, and I started getting short there, and then made a killing when the market went down and the VIX went up. Right now I see the same pattern. There's like a total ignoring of the truth and what could happen in a couple of days. So I'm going short the market. I could be wrong, been wrong before, but we'll just have to see. That's a part of the game. So so that is the news with the election and my positions going short. Current equities and commodities. So we can look at those charts today. The ES is down just a little bit, 5 points up on the NQ. Right now you can see that we are just bouncing on the moving average on every single one of these indexes except the Russell, and the Russell is hugging the upper Bollinger Band. So to me, it looks like we're in for a correction, and that we're probably going to experience a correction in the next week or so. I'm expecting a pullback like these that we've seen, I'm expecting a pullback in the same manner. So going short here, extremely short here, and if we get back to the all-time highs, I'll cover my shorts. But I'm waiting for it to pull back down, maybe to these levels here, 3,200, in the next week or so, 2 weeks or so. So that's equities. Commodities right now, if you look at commodities, we had a huge move in oil, 3.95%. Gold's not doing much today, it's just up 1 point or 0.08%. But if you look at natural gas a lot of times follows oil. Natural gas is up 5%. But this natural gas a lot of times is illiquid. So, but one thing that you could do is you could trade the ETF of natural gas. Let's try look at that. So let's go to all time frames, and natural gas. Is there a natural gas ETF? UNG, we can see it's trading at 9.35, 9.25. Okay, so we're going to try to look to short this by selling a call. So we'll go to trade all products, go out to the 36-day, and let's look at the 26 delta. So what account am I in right now? Okay, so we'll do 26 delta. There's some activity in there, so we'll short 10 of this. Okay, so we got that position, and we will look at this position and put it automatic. Or limit, good till canceled, confirm and send. So whenever the price gets to half of what I sold it for, I'll buy it back. And the order is in there. So that's everything for today, I believe. Potential scalps. Let's look if there's any potential scalps for today. Trading futures. Let's look at the ES. And we'll just look at the last couple days. High, low. Yeah, we're kind of trading in between the two, in between the high and low for today. If anything, I would go short here, but why don't we just do that just for fun? So we're going to sell the market. Let's see. And tomorrow we'll see what the result of selling this MES is. All right. Okay, so that's it for today. Hope that was fun, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.